naibanan. Yan, naibanan. Ano iba? Hi, Brando.
Kalaiba na.
Ako magkakuna ko na doon. Isa na nagbabakan mo. Ida na ho. Ayam.
Ay, na ngayon na tayo. Hindi kayo kumanta ko ha.
Yan. Ang inaana nga ni Isay na sila naman ang Isay.
Basta yan, napiskid yun. Pag ikaw dito.
Gusto na rin ang bulay?
Ikaw magluluto rin. Siguro na naman ito lang siya pala pa.
Do you guys have smoke detectors?
This is so... It's just like a concert.
Ada yan na tayo.
Diri yung makan eh.
Hinuya wala. Let's eat na, Brando.
Kaya na din eh.
Hindi.
Ito ngayon daw ga? Ngayon daw ito.
Hey guys, we're going to the farm with the other farmers. I think it will take 5 minutes.
Okay. Alright guys, so behind me here is where they have the majority of their vegetables. You know, they got potatoes, cabbage, lettuce and whatnot. Then out past here is where the rice farm is, and I'm not sure how many hectares Arlene family owns, but it's a significant amount. And so I believe their property line goes way out to this tree line here, so all this rice inside of this line is theirs.
So first, they're gonna make a nursery over here. We're gonna get the bamboo.
Alright Gong, so what are you doing over here?
Getting the bamboo over here because we used it for the nursery.
RSA?
Yeah.
For the association?
Yes.
And so you're gonna make like a hut?
Yes.
Basically, a few days ago, they formed a association here. The farmers did, and so right now what they're doing is getting the bamboo to build a little hut, so that when they have meetings or whatnot, they can all meet here at the farm. Oh, an association. What does that do for you guys?
It's for the nursery, and it's good for the seedlings.
So they give you guys like chickens and stuff, or what?
For now, it's for
Veg?
vegetable only.
Okay, so right now they're gonna
And
give you guys
The
vegetables.
next one is chicken.
Okay.
After the vegetable.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. Who's gonna give you guys the vegetables and all that for the association? Is that the government?
Yeah. That's why we work hard.
Okay, so the government's gonna give you guys all the plants and whatnot, and then you can sell them.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's about 9 in the morning here. It's a nice day, a little bit of a breeze, but the weather's definitely starting to get warmer. So these guys are working really hard. It's not easy here with the heat in the Philippines. So.
Ay, malo. Ano rin kapag pakuwang isang an anak mga pal nakagawian mo kamay namuramira. Ang makablatin pa. Ay ito, ang masala. Ito kuman ko ano mga daan. Badaw man. Happy pa ito sa pagtulong tayo.
Ayaw din pa. Tago ba yung hungot sundong ni pagjubi?
Yan, dapat. Ibalik na lang.
Ibalik ta na lang kung hilaw pa.
Ano?
Ibalik na lang.
English.
Tingnan na lang yung pagmata. Ito may simbahan. Tingnan na lang pagmata ha. Tingnan eh, pagmata, patawagan. Ha?
Diri kaya niya no? Andito to kanigangan niya.
Oh,
Okay na.
Daw, ano ito ito?
Kalagay.
Wow!
Na, kunya yan ang tinanom niya na.
Yummy!
Ice cream yan.
Yummy!
Dapat saging. The monkey boy.
Dito rin ba parang? Ha? Oo. Arlene, Lazada.
Ay, Lazada.
Oo, Arlene, Lazada.
Iko na di Jerome. Mga sering ano pipinangon ng mga siot ni Kira. Mga kahusog niya. Tutukit siya kat kuan.
ended up being a good day to do this, in my opinion. I mean, I'm not working at all. I'm just making a little video for these guys. They're doing a lot of work. They're doing a good job.